How to enable iBubble for imo. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to get all the notification in the iBubble like this, then here's how you actually can enable this feature. Super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This really helps me out. So now to enable the iBubble feature, you just need to open up the imo application from your device, and from the imo homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left, and from your profile scroll down at the bottom. You'll get to see the option iBubble. You just need to tap on these, and currently it's turned off. So just go ahead and toggle on this option. This might ask you to open up your settings and enable the floating window. You just need to go and tap on settings and exit this and find out the imo app from the list. And once you get the imo app, toggle on this option and you're pretty much good to go. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.